All right, this is Tom Medlock, and this is assignment number 5. Assignment number 5. So for assignment number 5, the first problem we had was to create a skybox. Originally, I thought I could just really quickly put the texture over the box we had last week and flip the UVs, but I was surprised to find that it was not quite as easy as that. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have expected that. So yeah, you can see that the skybox is done. And basically, what I did here is I just kind of re-UV'd the box and then flipped it backwards so that it would face inward. There's not really much complicated about that or much to say about that. For this one, I created the terrain, and you can see here that when I render it, it'll be a terrain any minute now. Come on, let's go. There we go. So there's the terrain from the grayscale image. The mouse is a little bit, it's difficult to use sometimes. I heard that there's a new one on Piazza, so I'm going to try that one out. But yeah, here's the terrain from the grayscale image. And then if I go ahead and comment this out and put up this one, you can see that this is the infamous test. And it's going to actually be bigger because I did a previous video that I decided not to use, so these were on the bigger ones. So you can see here that it says test. Let me put these values back to 1 so you can see it a little bit better. Excuse me. So if I go ahead and boot it up any second now, you can see that it does say test, and it's not flipped, so I did fix that issue, so it's no longer TSET. If I go ahead and put, yeah, so I showed you that that'll go, that it'll scale because you saw the original size versus this size. But if I show you on this one for the UV, here we're at 5. We can set it to 10 and 5. You'll see that the UV is going to repeat more frequently with the U, so more frequently across the x-axis. So you can see here that it does repeat more frequently across the x-axis, whereas this way it doesn't repeat quite as frequently going down. So that is this one, and I mean really this week was not that difficult. Oh, and I'm sorry about the small window. I recently changed my resolution to 4K, and it makes this window small for some reason. The engine is not this small, the window, it's not this small, but for some reason in this one the window is very small. So yeah, that's about it for this assignment. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in class on Tuesday.